Hello, Jill and Nada, grade 1 students. We miss you so much in the school. We hope you're doing well and we hope to see you soon again. Boys and girls, today we will take about the adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It describes a person, place, animal, or thing. An adjective describes how a noun tastes. If I say it is a sweet ice cream, so I'm describing the ice cream with the word sweet. Sweet describes its taste, so sweet is an adjective. An adjective can also describe the color. If I say it is an orange cat, what is the adjective here? Orange. Orange is describing the cat, and orange is a color. An adjective can also describe something's size. If I say it is a tall giraffe, what's the adjective here? Tall. Tall is describing the giraffe's size. An adjective describes how something feels. If I say this is a soft rabbit, soft here describes the rabbit and it's describing how something feels. An adjective can also describe sounds of nouns. If I say she is a quiet girl, quiet here is describing the girl and I'm describing the sound. I'm saying she's quiet, so quiet here is an adjective. An adjective can also describe how something smells. If I say this is yummy food, yummy is describing the food. So yummy describes how something smells. An adjective can describe the behavior of it. If I say he is a funny clown. Funny here is describing the clown. So it's describing the clown's behavior. So funny is the adjective. An adjective can also describe how something looks. Like if I say she is a pretty girl. Pretty is describing girl. So pretty is describing the looks of the girl. So this is the adjective. An adjective can also describe the number. If I say there are 2 flowers, 2 is describing how many flowers do we have. So 2 is an adjective. Now in this slide we're going to take about the adjectives for colors only. All the colors are considered as adjectives when they describe a noun. Red, orange, purple, green, blue, yellow, and all the other colors. We have some examples here. Red apple. What is the adjective here? Red. Red is a color describing the apple. Yellow sun. What is the adjective here? Yellow. Yellow is the color describing the sun. So yellow is the adjective. Green leaf. What is the adjective here? Green. Green is the color describing the leaf. Now we're going to take the adjectives for shapes. All the shapes are considered as adjectives when they describe the noun. Shapes such as diamond, round, square, rectangle, triangle. We have some examples here about the adjectives for shapes. Round wheels. What is the adjective here? Round. Round is describing the wheels and round is describing the wheel's shape. So round is the adjective. Another example, square box. What's the adjective here? Square. Square is describing the box and square is a shape. Now we're going to take about the adjectives for sizes. The adjectives for sizes describe a noun's size. Let's say this girl is Salam. Salam has long hair. What's the adjective here? Long. Long is describing Salam's hair. It's describing the size of her hair. Long. So long is the adjective. If I say Juan has short hair, what's the adjective here? Short. Short is describing Juan's hair. So short is describing the size of the hair. If I say it is a small animal, what is the adjective here? Small. Small is describing the size of the animal. If I say it is a big animal, what's the adjective here? Big. Big is describing the size of the animal. If I say it is a tall giraffe, what is the adjective here? Tall. Tall is describing the giraffe. Here are some adjectives that describe the size, such as big, little, small, huge, long, short, and tall. Here are some examples for the adjectives for sizes. Big bird. What is the adjective here? I guess you know the answer. Big. Big is describing the bird, and it's describing the bird's size. So the adjective here is big. Small bear. What's the adjective here? Yes, the adjective is small. Small is describing the bear. The bear's size is small, so the adjective here is small. Now, boys and girls, it's time for classwork. Please open your notebooks, page 447. Adjectives for sizes. Circle each adjective that describes size. Size such as big, small, long, and short, and all the other words that we took. Number 1, big bus. What is the adjective here? Don't say the answer, circle it in your book. Number 2, long river. What is the adjective here? Number 3, little fish. What's the adjective here? Number 4, short stripes. What's the adjective? Number 5, tall window. What is the adjective here? Number 6, huge flag. What is the adjective here? I know you're good, boys and girls. I know you can do it. We put for you the answer key here to check your answers, so check them please. Now we have one more page for adjectives for sizes. Open page 456 please. Mark the sentence that has a line under the adjective. No cheating. We can see you. Number 1. We saw a big bus. You have 3 options here. Which option has a line under the adjective for size? Saw, or bus, or big? Number 2. Look at the huge house. Huge, look, or house? Which option has a line under the adjective for size? Number 3. A long river flows by the road. Flows, long, or river? Which option has a line under the adjective for size? Number 4. The bird has a small fish. Has, bird, or small? Which option has a line under the adjective for size? Number 5. The fish has a short tail. Short, fish, or tail? Which option has a line under the adjective? Number 6. A little bird was in the sky. Sky, little, or was? Which option has a line under the adjective for size? Here's the answer key for the page. Check your answers, please. I hope your answers are correct. Now we're going to take about the adjectives for what kind. An adjective can tell what kind. For example, it is a hot day. Hot is the adjective describing the day. It is a dark room. Dark is the adjective describing the room. She is a sad girl. Sad is the adjective describing the girl. This is a noisy class. Noisy is the adjective describing the class. Now it's time for classwork. Open your notebooks, please, page 463. Adjectives for what kind? An adjective can tell what kind. For example, warm day. Warm is the adjective describing the day. Pretty flowers. Pretty is the adjective describing the flowers. Write the adjective that tells what kind. Say a sentence for each adjective. Number 1. Loud cattle. What is the adjective here? Number 2. Happy cows. What is the adjective here? Number 3. Hot sun. What is the adjective here? Number 4. Bright lights. What is the adjective here? Number 5. Tall tree. What is the adjective here? Number 6. Dark skies. What is the adjective here? Here's the answer key for the page. Check your answers, please. Here's the answer key for the page. Check your answers, please. We have one more page for adjectives for what kind. Open page 472, please. Mark the sentence that has a line under the adjective. You have 3 options in every question. You're going to mark the option that has a line under the adjective. Number 1. Dinner on Sunday is a great meal. Which option has a line under the adjective? Dinner, Sunday, or great? Number 2. A ranch hand bakes fresh bread. Which option has a line under the adjective? Fresh, bakes, or bread? Number 3. Another ranch hand makes spicy stew. Which option has a line under the adjective? Stew, spicy, or makes? Number 4. I pour glasses of cold milk. Cold, pour, or glasses. Which option has a line under the adjective for what kind? Number 5. Sweet oranges are our dessert. Which option has a line under the adjective? Are, sweet, or oranges? Number 6. We wash the dirty dishes together. We, wash, or dirty. Which option has a line under the adjective? Here's the answer key for the page. Check your answers, please.